若是恁顶来啉着好酒的梦，闺蜜着困真芳。四人头话东，心话烦，迄阵感觉有够赞。若是恁顶来啉着歹酒的梦，闺蜜着看有话爽。四人头话兴，心下乱。 迄阵感觉有够惨。
Teaching paths for welding of opposite sides by 5-axis cantilever machine 5. Today we'll commence to teaching this corner. For welding, first we have to change to number 2 control system and the teaching mode. Use G1 plus to turn the rating 180 degrees. 180 now, and then change it back to number 1 control system. Let's see the coordinate of this corner. We defined previously. This corner X, we already get it, is minus 550. The Y is 650. This corner X minus 575, Y 670. After turnover, we have to use this equation to calculate the after turns Y value. 757 minus 650 makes 107. As to 670 subtract by 757 makes 87. Let's do in the teaching. We do this one first. It goes to the user. First, we have to use add one last function. The K value give 8 and get the current parameter 100 millimeter per second. This points X the same, minus 575. The Z still the same, but the Y becomes 87 already. Oh, we launch the wrong value at X. Let's do it again. Use modify. X should be minus 575, not positive. Minus 575. Okay, back. Then let's incline the tool. Change to Cartesian coordinate system. Turn the tool this size. So we have to use Ry minus 1 twice 3 times. The Rz has to be positive. Rz positive once. Okay. Then change it back to join mode and use modify to get the machine coordinates. Okay. The coming path we have to use inverse method. So in the line number 1, insert one line and retract the tool, change to CCS, use S minus once, twice, 3 times, and change it back to join mode and modify, get the machine coordinates. Okay. Then in front of line number 1, insert another one and move to this new line, new instruction, and let's turn the B radius back to 90 degrees. CCS Y minus once, twice, 3 times. $89.5. Okay, lower the speeds. Y minus 89.8. Okay, over. Let's use RY plus, and that's lower the speeds. Okay, 90.0. Good. And change it back to join mode. Use modify to get the machine coordinates. Okay. Then insert another one in front of line number 1 and move to the new lines. Then we have to let J5 from 180 back to 0 by using the maximum speeds and using J5 plus. Turn until minus 0.573. Lower the speeds. Minus 0.4, minus 0.3210. Okay, fine. Then use modify, get the machine coordinates. Okay. Then insert another line and move to the new line. Change the speed to the fastest and use J3 plus 1 up and modify the first instruction, get the machine coordinates. Before OK, we have to let the small allowance of U become 0. Remove the small allowance back to 0 of V. Okay. Then tail here, tail to head to tail. Totally 5 instructions. Let's survey the 5 instructions to pass OK or not. Okay, let's run. Okay, again. Good. Then the commands to teach line number 6. Right now, the tool on the first welding position already. We have to weld along this line until the top of the round bar. Let the speeds be multi-10. J3 plus up. J2 plus Y up. J1 plus up. J1 plus more. Okay, fine. Log these points by using line. Then fast the speed. J3 plus J2 plus J1 plus J1. Go, go, go. Okay, these points fine. use line to lock these points. And then J3 plus up, J2 plus up, J1 plus okay, lock this point. Then J3 up, J2 up, J1 plus okay, line to lock it. Then slow the speeds, J3 plus, J2 plus, and J1 plus. This is the last point. Okay, then lock it by line. Then let's see. Right now, 10 instructions. Let's run to see the tool path. Okay, good. Then retract the tool back by using TCCS coordinates, the speed to the fastest. Use S minus once, twice, 3 times, and then change it back to join mode, and use line to lock this point. And then change back to CCS, rotating RY minus once, twice, 3 times. Lower the speeds, 89.5. Okay, slower the speeds, 85.6, 85.8. Slower the speeds, 89.1. We have to let it become 90.0, so y plus press. Okay, 90.0 exactly, good. And change to join mode, and use line to lock this point. Then turn J5 minus 160 back to 0. Fastest speeds. Use J5 plus. Turn. Okay, slower the speed. Good. And lock these points by line, and then practice the speeds, and J3 plus once, and lock this point. But we have to use modify to let the U exactly 0, V exactly 0. Okay, so totally 14 instructions. Let's run to see if the tool path of this corner. Okay, run. Okay, perfect. If perfect, then we use save CC to save this point. The file name use the test file R. R means reverse side. The 5 means the position. And save the CC file at the D drive at the CMSGAC data file folder. Save it. After saving, remove the data field by renew function. And then doing this corner. Use add one last. The K use 8. Get the current parameter 100 millimeter. This corner, the X, the same, is minus 550. Don't forget the minus, otherwise it will move to very far away at the right side. And the y right now, after turning, the coordinate becomes 107. The z is still 0. Okay, good. This is the contact point of the first welding. Then we have to incline the tool this side and that side. This side we have to turn y minus. So we have to use CCS coordinates y minus once, twice, 3 times, and turn that way. We have to z minus as well. Z minus. Okay. This angle is okay. Then we have to change back to join mode. Use modify to get the machine coordinates and say okay. Then use inverse process. Insert one instruction in front of line number 1 and change to CCS. Use X minus, retract the tool tip once, twice, 3 times, and change to join mode. Use modify to get the machine coordinates. Okay. Then insert another line in front of instruction 1 and move to the new instructions. Edit. Then we have to turn the B back to 90 degrees. This point don't change. Use CCS. Use y minus once, twice, slow the speed. 86. 88. 89.5. We have to make 90.0. 90.0 exactly. Okay. Change back to join mode and modify. Get the machine coordinates. Okay. Then insert another point and move to the new point. Right now, let J5 be 0. Right now it's 160. So we have to practice the speeds by using J5 minus. Turn the B axis to 0. Right now 0.5. Lower the speeds. 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.074. Exactly. It's good, accurate already. So we use modify to get the machine coordinates. Okay. Then in front of instruction 1, use insert to insert another instructions and move to this instruction. Practice the speeds. Use J3 plus once and modify. Get the machine coordinates. Okay. Head tail to the tail. Right now 5 instructions, and let's run to see the coming path. Okay or not. Run. Okay, excellent. Then we'll let the tool climbing up along the intersection line to the top of the round bar. Continue to teaching line number 6. First, slower the speeds to multi-10. J3 plus. J2 minus. J1 a little minus. Okay, lock this point, and then fattest J3 plus J2 minus J1 a little minus. Okay, lock it by 9. J3 plus J2 minus J1 a little minus. Okay, like it. Then J3 up, J2 minus J1 little minus, like it. Then J3 up, J2 minus J1 minus. Okay, good. Lock it by 9. Then we still can see the toolpath to see everything okay or not. Good. Then retrace the tool by using CCS to speed to the fattest S minus once, twice, 3 times. Change back to join mode. Use line to lock it. Then turn the B radius back to 90 degrees by CCS Y minus once, twice. Slow the speeds. '85, '86, '87, 0.7, '88, '89, 90 exactly. Okay, good. And change back to join mode and line lock this point. Right now J5 160. Let's turn it to J5 0 fattest speeds by using J5 minus once, twice, 3 times. 20, 1, 10, 0.5. Slow the speeds. 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.0. Okay, and use line to lock it. Then fattest speeds J3 plus once, and lock this point. But we have to use modify to change its U value to exactly 0, the V value to exactly 0. Okay. Then the total pass 14. Okay, let's see the toolpath simulation. Run. Again. Okay, good. Then we have to add the previous corners to make the whole toolpath. How to do it? Use head tail, use the left half of the function press to back number 1 instruction, and by using insert file to get the function test file r.cc and save it. Then run to see the pass okay or not. Okay, good. Then we save it and finish teaching.
好酒的梦，闺蜜着困真芳，四人头话东，心话烦，迄阵感觉有够赞。若是认真来饮着歹酒的梦。